welcome to our channel Mindful Eating by Green Eaters. First, let's understand what is mindful eating. It is like when you eat something, you should understand what nutrition that food is giving to you. It's like when you are eating or drinking something, understand your food, observe it, understand the quality, the taste of the food, also how it makes you. Is it making you happy? Is it making you full? That awareness creation is mindful eating. Hence, we are going to showcase some healthy and wholesome recipes. So don't forget to like this video, share with your friends and subscribe our channel Mindful Eating. Before we proceed to our recipe, let me give you a quick introduction about Greenitails. Greenitails is a cloud kitchen. We are providing soups, salads, healthy meals at your doorstep all over the Pune. We have weekly plan, monthly plan available. If you want more details about Greenitails, please reach to this number for more details. Today's recipe is white brown rice. Brown rice is hero of our today's recipe. As many of you must be knowing that brown rice has advantage over the white rice. It is more fibrous. It is more healthy. It gives you energy, proteins. When you want to lose weight or when you want to control your sugar, brown rice is the best option. It's a grain which do not have sugar level. Its glycoindex is less than the white rice glycoindex. So definitely it will help you to maintain a healthy lifestyle. In today's recipe we are going to showcase you how to cook the brown rice. Many of you must be cooking this brown rice in a pressure cooker. That is also a good method, but we are going to cook it in an open vessel, which allows that starch to drain off and which makes brown rice more healthy. With that, we are also adding some proteins and nutritional elements in this recipe. This will be a together protein rich and wholesome recipe. It will be a one pot meal. Do try at your home. Let's try this recipe.